morning, everyone. Today is Saturday. Even I have fever for 2 nights in the row now. I need to work. Bawal magkasakit dito sa Amerika. Kaya, ay nako, kahit masakit ang ulo ko, trabaho talaga. Kailan pa kaya ito matapos? Ganito talagang buhay namin. Ganito ang buhay ko. Every day work. Saturday, supposedly today is Saturday. I need to relax, but I can't do it because I need to work. Work. Ewan ko sa inyo. Kailangan talagang matrabaho ako. Kita mo mata ko, walang tulog kasi may lagnat ako. Last night is 98.7 and then middle of the night 99. So I am struggling right now, but I need to work because of my fish. Hindi nilagnat yung mga isda ko. Kita mo yung mga pusa ko naghintay na sa akin. Look at them. Hinintay na nila ako kasi ito, trabaho na naman. Alam mo sa trabaho, kailangan magtrabaho. Ito muna itong mga chicken ko. Nakita nila ako. Ang cute naman mga pusa ko. Oh, meron din isa dito hindi nakapasok. What? Why you're in outside? Come on here. Come on. What? Hurry up. Come on. Hi, morning, Sisi. Sisi naman. Where's your chicken? Ito, mag-check na ako muna sa ano ko. Where's your food? Ayan nila sa pagkain. Kasi binilhan ko raw sila ng mumurahin na pagkain. Ayaw nila. Ito, check na naman ako kung ano nangyari dito. Ano nila. Ito mga isda ko na naman. Malalaki na. Check ko lang. Yung buhay ko. O yung iba walang tubig. Walang tubig yung iba. Ano ba yan? Ito. Nagpunta ako sa mga isda ko. Ito sa bass fish. Morning. Good morning. 1,000 bass fish. This one is 8 bass. Is 44,000 pieces of bass. So $1.25 each. So this is a huge money if you're going to sell. But I think they're sold already. On the other side is a catfish, and I don't know what's going on. My catfish here. The catfish is still asleep. Some of my catfish is still asleep, or some. I have a lot of albino. Yes. It's a white color. That's albino fish. That's pretty. That's a pretty albino fish. Yes. This is a fingerless albino fish. Albino. It's a bunch of albino. Albino fish. And some of albino in the bottom. Yes, that's albino fish. That's pretty. That's a pretty albino fish.